In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Brevo email template. By the end, you'll know how to start a campaign, set your sender, choose recipients, craft a subject line, and design a reusable template you can come back to anytime. First, log into your Brevo account. On the left panel, click Marketing. That section opens directly to campaigns. Move to the top right and select Create Campaign. When the pop-up appears, choose Email. This tells Brevo you're building an email campaign and sets up the template workflow. Next, the page reloads and asks for details. Enter a clear campaign name so you can find it later. You can also add tags to help with organization and put the campaign inside a folder if you use folders to keep things tidy. When you're ready, click Create Campaign to continue. Now it's time to set up the email template itself. Start with the sender, click Manage, and wait for the panel to expand. Here you can update the sender email address and the sender name. Pick a recognizable from name and an address that's authorized for your domain. When you're done, click Save so your changes stick. Move on to recipients. Click Add Recipients and let the section load. In the Send to field, choose who should receive the email, a list, a segment, or specific contacts. If you want to protect deliverability, check Don't send to unengaged contacts to exclude people who haven't interacted in a while. Click Save to lock that in. Next, set your subject. Click Add Subject and wait for it to open. You'll see fields for the subject line and preview text. You can include emojis and variables in both, and you can even write the subject with AI if you prefer a quick starting point. Keep the subject clear and the preview text complementary. When you're satisfied, click Save. Now for the design. Click Start Designing. In the pop-up, choose either a basic template or a ready-to-use option on the right. Select the one you want and click Use Template. After it loads in the editor, you'll see a left sidebar. Under Content, drag and drop blocks and sections into your layout. Under Style, fine-tune layout, spacing, background, header, text styles, text settings, links, and buttons to match your brand. To edit any existing block, click it in the live preview. Its settings open on the left. You'll also see icons to move, duplicate, or remove that block. When you're done, click Save and Quit at the top right. Your template is now saved and ready to use in your campaign.